This 2024 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 26 BHHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, TV, refrigerator, water heater. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 26 BHHL is 6,688 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.